The Khasi Student Union West Khasi Hills District Unit today submitted a memorandum to the Deputy Commissioner outlining several demands to improve the recruitment process through the District Selection Committee led by President John Fisher Nongsiang. The KSU delegation highlighted concern regarding transparency and fairness in the recruitment process. The union presented 17 demands, including the requirement for well-qualified DSC members, installation of CCTV cameras in examination centers, elimination of personal interviews for lower-level posts, and publication of candidate marks.
Senang juga alai sibun kijing dunah bila kijing tukam tunjam bat kijing dunah haki iki bara kena kalian jongi mentak sini lawan ban ai kini points akannya tu points dia di bat kijing dunkam ba DSC kena penrung be ba khamtam ek ban kong ek nilai krah bila kijing tukam kumki member joka DSC di bandai ki nongtrei ki ba la pule ki graduate ki la start ki bandai ki kini political appointees kini ki khat jong kan ka seng hima sima markumang i kini senang pula ada bun di jing duna jing ujing nam bat jing jia pula jiang i jing tungkam lungba kini ki nangalam jo kini ki political appointees bagi la thong nakaleng deputy commissioner laweng ki beri ki basya tungkam kam interview te mentaru ni dawa nak bisi ba ndai banai lat kini ki jing jia kin jia yang kin tung landet kelum ka jing interview ni kelum ka jing tip jing deputy commissioner.
As part of